Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group AP229D 5D and our case study for BSR607 Maintenance and Facilities Management is Bangunan Seri Kinta, Perak.
The building that we choose for our case study is Bangunan Seri Kinta on lot 4180 and Jalan Sultan Idris Shah. The building function is an office and commercial building under category medium-rise building. The height of the building is 59.3 meter with 15 of stories and 200 square feet for the total area. The next slide is about location plan of the building. The adjacent building around Bangunan Seri Kinta are TM Point, Bangunan MNA and Brewster Village. For the building concept and design of Bangunan Seri Kinta, generally constructed of reinforced concrete framework with plastered brick walls and concrete flat roof. Ceiling are generally of plaster glass and gypsum board, and the floor are ceramic tiles. Internal partition made of aluminium frame glass panels and gypsum board. The central air conditioning is operating on Monday to Friday from 7:45 AM to 5:15 PM. The services and facilities installed in Bangunan Seri Kinta are water supply, electrical distribution, mechanical transportation system, security system, control system television system, mechanic ventilation system, generator and firefighting system. All the services that I have mentioned play an important role to keep the occupant inside the building feel comfortable and safe.
Next is our objective. Firstly is to be the best company in the property management. Second, to achieve at least 86% occupancy rates. Third, maximizing returns or profits. Fourth, to cut costs by 2% for the preventive maintenance. And for our vision is to own and develop business with sustainable profit with generating premiums return to the shareholders. For our missions, firstly is to focus on core competencies and the sustained growth. Second, they leverage and maximize synergies among our business. Third is to develop a culture that emphasizes a high performance. Fourth is to be a strategic partner in a nation buildings. And lastly, for our mission is to fulfill social responsibility in our company. For maintenance organizations structure, me as the facilities manager, Iskandar Hakimie, civil engineer Sahira binti Baharuddin, electrical engineer Hafizah binti Youszelan, and the mechanical engineer Farrah Nadhirah binti Mohamad Azlan. Next, I would like to present the maintenance strategy that implemented in the buildings. Prihatas and Berhad maintenance organizations for the Bangunan Seri Kinta has their own maintenance strategy based on the implementations of common maintenance strategy. Before this building starts their operation as the office buildings, Prihatas and Berhad need to follow all the specifications and maintenance plannings set by the Bangunan Seri Kinta. The company needs to follow the key performance indicator (KPI) pointed to give a good service and performance to the occupants in the buildings. The KPI is a valuable tool in highlighting area that are potential process to be a benchmark. This is the example of the KPI that used in the building. Firstly, the completions of monthly planned preventive maintenance (PPM) for the mechanical, structure, civil and electrical systems. Next, we also have the completions of monthly schedules corrective maintenance (SCM), including the egging SCM. Next, we also have the completions of monthly landscaping schedulings. And lastly, we also have the compliance of appropriate response times by appropriate personnel with a target output. There are two types of maintenance planning implemented in the building. Firstly is the planned maintenance, which have the corrective maintenance and preventive maintenance. The second one is unplanned maintenance, which have the emergency maintenance.
The Bangunan Seri Kinta building has a few maintenance program implemented. First is the air conditioning system. The air conditioning system consists of the air handling unit, variable air volume, variable speed drive, fan coil unit and chilled water pump. The firefighting system consists of hose reel system, sprinkler system, fireman intercom, dry and wet riser system, fire extinguisher, fire detection and fire alarm panel, fire suppression system, hydrant and CMS link system. Next is the water supply system, consists of tanks, pumps, pipings and fittings. Mechanical transportation system consists of general appearance, lift mountings and support points, main lifting pivots, platform and platform attachment points, inner roll stop and operations, handrail and handrail attachment, labeling, signage, cleaning and lubrication. And next is the electrical system, which is consists of high voltage system and low voltage system. Next is the landscape, which is consists of softscape, hardscape, shrubs and also undergrowth plant. For infrastructure, it is consists of basement car park, passageway and covered walkway, road furniture, hard standing, drain sumps, grating and also culverts. For housekeeping services, it consists of the public area, the tenant space and also the exterior cleaning. And building automatic system requires a control room system and also control circuit television system, which is CCTV, and also telecommunication.
Basically, from 2020 to 2021, the financial have a sharp increase due to the maintenance works done. It is including repainting the external wall of the building, repairing works and also the upgrading of the system to ensure the building can run smoothly. A such increase from 2021 until 2029 as much as 0.5% until 1.5% is due to the rent pay for the tenants and also the including service charge. And the net profit from the year 2029 can be as a backup for the building in case have a breakdown happen in the future. The same goes to 2030 to 2031. It's a sharp increase due to a major maintenance and also some renovation works carried out in the building. In 2031 until 2039, it's a steady increase which is 0.3% until 2.0% due to economical factor. And the net profit on the year 2039 can be used as a cover if emergency happen in the building, especially regarding to maintenance issue. Next, due to upgrade the building system, the financial on 2040 has experienced slight drop, but in 2041 until 2042, it is recorded increase steadily, and the increase through the year is increase of 0.2% until 2.0%. It is due to the economical factor and also increase of the charge of the service. And the net profit of the year 2049 can be used to cover any incident happen in the building in the next few years. However, in 2050, it's dropped drastically due to the carry out of a major maintenance work, upgrading of the system and also renovation at the rooftop. But the budget to undergo all the maintenance work are obtained from the net profit from 2049. But it is steady increase from the year 2050 until 2059, which is increased from 0.3% until 2.2%. And the net profit from 2059 can be used to cover any emergency happen in the building. In 2016, it is decreased due to the carry out of the maintenance works that have been done once in a 10-year. And the year throughout 2061 until 2069 rise financially with an increase of 0.2% until 2.2% due to the increase of the charge service, parking and so on. Lastly, in 2070, it is dropped due to the maintenance work that carried out in the building. From 2071 until 2074, the financial is increased smoothly from 0.5% until 1.3%. However, the financial dropped by 0.3% in 2075 due to the ongoing economic state, and it same goes to 2076. But the financial increased again as much as 0.2% until 0.6% starting from the year 2077 until 2079, when the economy has been recovered optimally.
In conclusion, based on our case study at the Bangunan Seri Kinta, many aspects of the building can be obtained, including building background, building design, and also building services. From the maintenance view, the building's organizational maintenance company, its maintenance strategy and planning are able to be identified. And lastly, the maintenance budget and financial analysis aspect are also able to be analysed from the case study. And that is all from our group from AP 2295D. Thank you for watching.